Myntri bakhmi ekatanat Legal Metrology uba sanbor Syulad ula aipor ekatanat nripo sngi bahkan aiti ya ke kaiphod halor ki jingtreikam jongka da ke bamaham ban omla ban sya da lelelu ya ka jingbom le ai ngidon tangkat laingut ki inspektor ha kejela Meghalaya barok kawai kabadang duna shibun ong uba sanbor hadin bakhot penlong ya ke jingalang bishar kam bat ki he ketanat haka santrik no pra Ngilaya keren banang penbahaya ke rukom trekam jongki nong tre bat lambutha ya chief controller bat director bakin bishar benya bat banwan ra sya kejingelang na kebenta ban aya kejing menjur ula ong. Mentri ula penpauru ya kejing sngau beniau ya kejing trekam jong ketenat da kabak kedau ya kejing bom don ki kes balalap bat kejing penshitom ya ki bapen keny an nadu balayo ya la kejong kejela ha usnem khat kendai spa nyu puar. Ka kaiphod ka long ka bas new shibun dena kata kadau ngila aipor ya ketena nripo sngi bakan aiti ka kaiphod halor ki jingtreikam jongka uloong ula betharu ya ki inspektor bakin penlong ya ki jingtalasi ya ki petrol pump weight bridge bat ki wei ki jaka bat ban aiti ya ka kaiphod hapo kan nripo sngi Kidai bentre hok bat penlong ya ke jingtalasi halaka kerdan jongki harengkar ke jinga selok bat controller ka metrology bat director ong ba sanbor. Mentri ula kenturu ya ki pajba bakin pha ya ki jing ujor ladaki ya kendu ya ki nuki jing le bom hong da ke bakular ru ban shim mardor ya ki sinjam kat kum kaan. Ngin tau ya kilat jing pensyai ya ki pajba bakani ketenat ka train na ke benta jongki. Ngi kentui ki pajba bakim day ban atatin ban ujor persya ki police station ki bahajan tam bat wat syanga kum mentri bat syakatenat jonga ngin syim mardori ki sinjam kat kum kaan ong uba sanbor kani ketenat kala syak kenthok jur halor ka jingbom syim ki sinjam ban ajingya daya ka hok jong ki nong thit nong pet khamtam ya kito ki bawan na ka long ying ki baduna hakayo ka kon Nalor kata uba sanbor ula banjur baka kamram bahakmat jong ketenat ka long ban yada ya ke jing mentoy jong ki pajba.
This is the first review. This will be the second review meeting, right? Which we had along with all the officer of the Legal Metrology Department to revamp and to review the functioning of the department. So, first of all, the requirement of the department is, you see, in the entire state of Meghalaya, we are having only 15. 13. Only 13. 13 inspectors in the entire state. So there was so we have discussed to enhance the structure of the staff. So we have to leave it to the wisdom of our as chief controller of the department and the director with the consent to examine, and we will place it next in the meeting. We approve and send it to the government. So how many required in district headquarter wise, we have suggested maybe in place of one assistant, another 8 up to 10 district headquarter wise. So now, as per the report, this is very important department in connection with day-to-day life of the people at large, especially in the be it the cement or the petrol or the diesel or the eatable items that the people are buying. So when we ask from the department, since the inception of our state 1972, how many cases has been penalized, how many cases has been detected, have you penalized, how many of them, but the report is very negative. So that's why we have decided, and we are giving the department 60 day time to submit the status report. 60 days time the status report. So other things which we have discussed is that the officer in the field, the inspector in the field, they should be very sincere, and from tomorrow they should go and check at their level. We do consultation with the controller of metrology and the director. We do consultation, so they have to go. And the chief controller, I have entrusted her and director of the department from which trade shall they start. Maybe they will start from the petrol pump, then after that the weight bridge, and other trade, subsequently other trade. So all these things, they have to submit the report within 60 days. I've said earlier, maybe in place of one in one district, we may enhance to 10 in one district.
May not, depending
may not,
upon
it
the,
depends on
the act,
Right.
because it's also, we also function under the act. Whether the act allows for more than one, yes, no. If yes, what to do? If no, what else to do? Perhaps it may not be at that level, it may be at another level, but certainly to help the person in charge of the district to carry on this work, because this impacts them. And they have other duties to attend to also. As district heads, they are called for election duty, they are called for VIP duty, they are called for everything. They are called for meetings every time. That also cuts into their working period. These are things that we...
Since we are having only 15, right?
No, it should be one inspector per district minimum. I've not, to confess, I've not really gone through everything of the act that allows us or not to have more than one inspector per district. I must confess, I've not really gone into that. Certainly one inspector per district. So if the act allows maybe more than that, and it's a central act, the act does not allow perhaps some other posts that can assist, perhaps. But certainly, like the minister said, something has to be done, because for every person out there, there's so many people. If every person is defrauded of 10 rupees per day, you calculate that in terms of the population of the entire state. Think of the revenue of the government, think of...
Going makan ke basai mo, makan ke basai kang begini, beri relation senang kondong, kinduk kibom suku parang, kam tam senang kondong rasor ku, nung ikan ke basai, bang idon ni kana kaan ne, idon ni kana kaan, bang idi ban check, ikan jing thau tu, bila kile tu, ne lah kondong, menta kumsom no, haba pilik tiet, ukau sikilo, pi ai san pau tengah sikilo, pi kapisa pilai san pau menta sikilo. Katakan di jengmut jangan ada department. Dia kan bawa pindah lek tahu biang ni uduna ya ke sekilo. Tumut 10% lah uduna. Kan dok kalau kata akan temu beduk dosu. Tekebut kan lek ke kubur ke bagi pai ba bur kim tip bagara ke department kanton. Kam simle trekam lah. Agri sistem ke baru kam trekam tu pai ba rom tip. Pipilek pi ong ai sekilo lek la ai tip kan dengan jingsa ot khajana tu ujung ki nak bawa pi teu pinyang petrol ne ke simen ne ke ukau na ki marba mardi ki jumpi kaksiar ki baro ki habd daga te ngira ka daga kubur ki pai baro ki bagidup ti plan ka daga department ka an gadon ka sorka agar ka ding tu ne te baging create our baging check na din na isbat ka bagi appeal ru nang ne sya ki pai ba hadin kelai i bagidup tip ki pai ba baro ko ka skit kin tip ya ka ki terbut kin once ka pak ka hidon ki do ki ba mbong dulu kita ayu kim dia berting kim dia bisa berting ni kan kiwara yang komplain lan ni kajik ujor sengi haga level jo kipat baru kila beli tiet naga dukan master AC kilo lipat tau sawe ban lala puduna kumia kata kipat ba ki file komplain sengi kat kum ka ngin sim action ni gitu ki dukan lan ni ki perpom lagi ki dukan dobilat ne ki dukan hardware ki dukan ke bani traders ki dukan jingti ke bani jing ka dukan ba man ngasni te ki pa ba rugi don ka menyarap yang ni bikin ora yang komplain sekarang ba ngila ban sim option ya ki ki jing thau tu jong ki habo roka jelas jungi bro koi kata ka ke jingmut juga meeting kasi there are only few whereas where we know based on the public complaint we know that in the entire state, if they are sincere, if the officer, I have given even an example that one Hindi movie acted by Anil Kapoor, one day chief minister. One day chief minister. See what happened if you watch this film. Within one day, he have cancelled thousands and thousands of, and he have even suspended his officer, then and there, in the spot. So that's why I have given the encouragement, and I have appealed. We have appealed to them also to be sincere, and from tomorrow they have to walk in the field. That's what we are very surprised to know that as per the record, since the inception of our state, they have not detected any. Maybe they have not gone to the field sincerely to check all these illegalities. Right? Hopefully that based on the meeting which we had today, but from tomorrow I have even appealed to them to work sincerely and to see that the general public shouldn't be so we appeal to the general public that they should not hesitate to file a complaint to the inspector, to the nearest police station, and especially to us, even to me as a minister. Also, the complete action will be taken in and there, and as per the law, the action will be taken. It will create awareness because nobody, for the last since the inception of the state, they don't go. I mean, like in a sincere manner to check. So the general public also they go buy from you 1 kg as told by our chief controller, additional secretary. If you buy 1 kg, you pay 1 kg of rice. You pay the 100 rupees, but but if you remeasure it in your friend house, you are getting less, maybe 20% less. So this is happening, but until unless we create awareness, the people will not know about that we have the power. The government have a power through this department to check all these illegalities.